Thinking about launching your dream online store but wondering if Shopify offers a way to test the waters for free or a safety net if it's not the right fit? Let's dive straight into Shopify's introductory offers and refund policies so you can make your decision with confidence. Firstly, does Shopify offer a free trial? Absolutely. Shopify typically provides a free trial period, most commonly 14 days, allowing you to explore all the features and functionalities of the platform without any upfront cost. During this trial, you can set up your online store, add products, customize your theme, and get familiar with the back-end operations. It's your chance to see if Shopify is the perfect solution for your business needs. Now, about a money-back guarantee, it's important to understand that Shopify doesn't offer a traditional money-back guarantee in the sense of refunding you after a certain period of paid usage if you simply change your mind. Their policy is focused on the free trial as the opportunity to evaluate the service. Once your free trial period concludes, you'll be prompted to select a paid plan to continue using Shopify. If you decide not to proceed with a paid plan after the trial, your store will simply pause. So, while there's no post-paid money-back guarantee, the generous free trial is designed to give you ample time to determine if Shopify is the right platform for you before committing financially. This allows you to make an informed decision, setting you up for success without any financial commitment beyond the trial if it's not the perfect fit.